Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and here's going to be a decoration new for us this year. It's a 12-foot tall skeleton that we bought from Lowe's Hardware. It's a little over $200. Takes about a half an hour to figure out and install, but it's 12 feet tall. It looks impressive standing in the yard. Some of the neighbors who walk their dogs are not amused by it, but it does have a feature that at night it has a timer that you can set. You can also set the color that it lights up as, and it will rotate back and forth the upper body as it moans at you at night, and we have some video of it at night. Now the colors available are white, blue, green, red, and I think a purple or a violet. But anyway, that's what it looks like in the daylight, and then at night it does light up, and we have video of that coming. So we're going to pump up the volume for the night video to let you listen to it moan. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this.